be your boy Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind and the other names. And this be matter what? Matter come. Why be the matter where you come? You know say marriage be something God now create. It be institution. Where God creates give man say make man do what? Marry then what? Give birth on the surface of the world. Because God now in his own image, you know, in his own wisdom know the reason why he do that thing. The matter where it can be say 87-year-old man, he dead plus what in kiddies there and everything, where the man who go sell properties or sake of the kiddies, you know, they not do what? They not come in wedding. That be the reason why the man who go sell all in properties, you know. The kiddies need to the talk say the reason why them to the no kind of wedding you be say the mommy you know die no. You know tell like that. So the man for no go do it, for no go marry any person. Make the man just day, make them what? He want the mommy. The mommy need to die 2015, bro. You know be small years. Where the 87-year-old man Atanasia te what where you know say body to no be firewood. It about body no you know be firewood, but on firewood crown no in self pet no go feel on light unless you put kerosene for top before you palm Manchester. Ebe soldier. The man to me get feelings, he get blood where they run through in veins. He get dick where you do they turn up the intense. So the man to spice say nah, the way your wife and the diet, you know. And so I then oko probi, non panaya then etna. So right now the man marry fe where in your wife you know what day. The life where we dey inside no. Death be something where he did this water. No bro go feel post death. When no bro to know how death go come in top. That be secret of mankind. So if you human being where you there, you do it for humble yourself. Because who him that will I go behind him there will be war. So him say one shot will be war and then oh yeah papa I go look na good morning, good afternoon. Who go down for class, go down for trema, obetia go down for because you know say moro catcher. You go do what? You go die. But God take that thing and hide mankind. But still, mankind they do something where them now then they please them my own what? Them my own self. Obi obi krana, onye na dey so we obi. So of the reason why no, the person you mind do say you bread before you what? You get them. Make I talk you something. If you dey work where you get more money, you get more property than Tina. If you God in blessing, then in grace where you take what? Pour your top. Because God, you know the what you now you do, whether you smoke, whether you do women matter, whether you do that thing, God know they spy that thing. But it despite the mercies and the grace, you know. So they will be shit out. So if you do those things now, if you not put for your mind inside, say, if you me now my strength way they do. If brother man the hungry get money, take the money you son do what? Give them. Because you don't know what will happen what tomorrow. Where right now the kiddies need to know. It be yawa. You people know. If a bill you say your puppy, you know, your puppy now decide say you go marry. Because it not be easy. Say your wife died 2050, you better say for that long period of years. Because that thing still you start the tap, crown. Maybe years in the south where God take give him say make it come, you know go rich, you go feel die through loneliness. So if for be you people say your puppy take that bold decision, he take that decision say he go take woman. That one if your puppy in what? In matter. You know be you people your matter. All be say you go give him the support, you people go give him the prayers there. Everything be a way for do, way for show love to your puppy, you know. Now you people for do that thing. You say what I say no, what Tony fear, what Tony be what you people go do. Sometimes no, if you not take life personal just like that, if you not just hold or if you not make something make hard give we now want ourselves. Because if we are saying and everyone get reason why you do they do something. But if the person where they do something, you get positive and negative mind. It about wow your body it be something where you know good way they do. When you know to you do something where you good at, Your mind will go talk you say this thing where you do ni good. It about so if you not make someone talk you say go do this, go do that, go do this. Right away, Poppy say something. No? It be now where you people to the go street top, they go hustle. Your Poppy do that. Oh, I go fit talk say dirty works because to build a house, brother man, you know be easy. To build a house, you know be easy. Last time, be now the beast some big man before our area inside where at the business say how you manna build this in 2-story building. The man talk say, ah, you know be easy. The stress, the land gas, the things where you pass through iron rod, the cement, the mason carpenters before if you build this house. No? If you not be financially sound or you not get work where you do where they fetch you money, forget. What you say in secret you need to be say. Now you know they do the women matter, you know they drink the alcohol and things. So once in friends they do those things, you know, they save money. So bunch of in friends, you know, they don't get house, then they compound house plus the makidis where that thing need to they will fit avoid them. But due to that, they will not listen to advices, you know. That be how they go what end up. This be the matter where you can't wear me flambo. I can't talk to you. You go feel leave your comment. It be very, very, very necessary. You leave your comment, me I talk. You go feel rep your own. Someone to go feel read. You go feel take a back for what inside. You finish, you go feel follow us on all on our social media platforms. It be very, very, very what necessary. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed. Bow.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Me did the Isaac Ojampo. We between family the great tempo. Bring. One man come on here share too much GH. Too much GH. Mo too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Too much GH. We are boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.